Yo, it's your boy. In the video, I'm going to show you how to do the split squat to get bigger quads. Let's get into the video. In order to do the split squat, you're going to need one set of dumbbells. You're going to grab the dumbbells, and then what you're going to do is have one leg forward, and then if whichever side is your dominant side, so for example, my dominant side is my right side, I'm going to start off with my left leg so I can start focusing on my left leg to help with muscle mounces. So you're going to have the leg playing on the ground, and then on your back foot, you're going to have your toes just on the ground, and then you're going to go down until your knee lightly taps the ground, and then you're going to go back up, and when you come back up, be sure to squeeze your quads for more muscle mind connection. And then you just switch to the other leg. I recommend you treat each leg as a set so you can rest between each set for like about 30 to 60 seconds so you can perform to your maximum ability. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more fitness content just like this, start now by subscribing and clicking the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. If you want to grow your glutes, this video right here is one of the best exercises to grow your glutes.